So what I did was change baits because I got broken off once. Well, the tail got broken off. Then I just continued to fan cast. Instead of at 12 o'clock, I went to about 11, 11:30 and worked that area, and that's what I got the hit. So I'm going to throw it back in that same area and work it back the same way because it might be a pattern. They might be stacked up in that area. Same thing, jig, jig, pause, pause. Hopefully this is helping you, and if you don't mind, hit the notification bell real quick, and then hit that like button. Just hit it real quick. Just do it real quick, because a lot of times we forget to do that for the people we follow on YouTube, me included, and it helps our algorithm a lot if you do that. It shows engagement, and let's let YouTube know, hey, this is some content that we like. We want to see more of it. So help us out. Thanks. All right. There's one. There's one. Not sure how big. Might have some weight to him. Yeah, it's another male. He's probably 13. Probably 13. I wasn't even recording this. Oh, I can't believe I wasn't recording this, yo. She didn't even know she was caught. Or he. You get the picture. Now that's a fish. Now that is a fish. Let it go, let it grow. That was a fish, y'all. There we go. Got another one. Look at him. Oh. There we go. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.